Welcome back, Team Forever, back again with another video, and I'm back with another K-pop reaction video. And I'm back with NCT 127. I'm not gonna call it 127 no more. Y'all really just started going at me calling it that, but 127 it is. In my first reaction video to them, I said, hey, I'm gonna call them 127. I don't know if that's actually how you say it, but leave it in the comments down below. But nobody commented it until I decided to do a whole week worth of their videos, and then I guess y'all just got irritated with that, but I feel y'all. NCT 127 is one of my favorite groups so far. Leave more comments for more groups for me to react to inside the comments down below. If y'all are new to this channel, the way I do my reaction videos is I listen to 3 songs from the same group, give my live reaction and review of them, and at the end I talk about which one I like. Well, I give my reaction to them in the beginning while I actually react to it, and then at the end I give my review on all 3 and tell which one I like the most and which one I, in my order of which one I like the most to the least. And I want y'all to do the same by voting inside of a poll that I'm going to put up at the end of the video. So stay tuned to the end of the video so that y'all can vote inside that poll. I really want to know what y'all are going to vote for. Speaking of polls, the poll results are in, and my last video I reacted to Superhuman, Regular, the English version, and Wakey Wakey. Jesus Christ. Alright, so y'all were not messing with Wakey Wakey, as y'all can see by the results of this poll. Only 5 people out of 68 voted for Wakey Wakey. I voted for Regular, the English version, which came in 2nd place, which didn't get many votes either. Only 20 people out of 68. But with 63% of the votes, what did I just say? Superhuman won the poll. Congratulations, Superhuman. You won the Forever Young poll results. Congratulations. You are up there with, I don't know. You won. Congratulations. But that was that video, and this is this video. I got 3 new songs that were put in via request. Thank y'all for putting these songs in. The first song I'm going to be reacting to is NCT 127's Fire Truck. Let's hear it.
Getting lifted.
Ooh, she look kinda creepy. She look creepy. Dang, get it, y'all. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I'm reacting to Woo-hoo! That girl's creepy though, but when people at work ask me about my YouTube channel, then they ask how many subscribers I got, and they be like, how did you get so many? And I'm like, I react to K-pop. And they're like, do you like it? And I'm like, watch one of my videos. They so surprised. But watch NCT 127, Cherry Bomb and Fire Truck. Fire Truck. Whoever put this song in, bless your heart. Fire Truck. Woo, 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 woo. Fire Truck. Don't need to see their crotches inside the camera so close though. My captions won't work, but I'm assuming they saying fire truck. I don't know. Sabancha. That's why they're my dancers of the group. Of my 6 groups that I react to, NCT 127 is my dancing group. They're who I go for the moves. Or who else? Who else has the moves out of my 6 groups? NCT. Oh my gosh. Whoop 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 whoop. Fire truck. Loved it. Oh my god. What a way to start this video. The next song is NCT 127's Chain. Boy, you got a lot to live up to. Stars on feet. They are the best when it comes to moves. Okay, BTS is, so them BTS. Who else is really good at dancing? I think Stray Kids, I forgot. Whoop, 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 whoop. Fire truck. Get it, y'all. Chain. Reaction. If they held a dance school in Michigan or United States, I would go. Is the other groups from NCT this good? Because I haven't reacted to them yet. Man, so crazy. Got a lot of makeup. Listen, I'm all for people wearing makeup if they on camera. I know it makes your face look better, but if I can clearly tell, bro. And I'm talking about makeup that's like, you know, goes on your skin, not eyeliner makeup, stuff like that. I'll react to them. I just can't stop moving. Reaction. Reaction. Dang. Oh my god, they are the best. Oh my gosh. Hands down the best out of the 6 when it comes to dancing. Maybe the best when it comes to lyrics. I mean, XO is my favorite altogether, but NCT is... What is stopping them from just taking XO's spot? I mean, those 2 songs were up there with Cherry Bomb. Regular was amazing too. Like Slime. What the heck? This group is amazing. Everybody that put this, oh my god, this is a great group. If I ever did a like get somebody, like, you know how people get their mom or their friends to react to K-pop. This would be the group that I would show. I mean, XO or them. But, oh my god. I can't give any more praise. The next song, please, you got a lot to live up to, is Touch. Let's listen to it. I think this is going to be it. They just start off like so loud. Chain reaction. I knew this song was gonna be different than those two. Oh my god. So I guess it's impossible for them to make a bad song. Jesus Christ, that was... What am I looking at? The world? This song actually, like, is super good, and it does still what? It still sounds like them. Like if I heard this song and didn't know who it was, and I had to guess between my 6 groups or my 5 groups, because obviously it wouldn't be Blackpink, but I would guess that it was them. It definitely sounds like an NCT. It definitely sounds like an NCT 127 song. Get it, y'all. That was amazing. Okay, y'all. As good as that song was, I already know my answer. My answer from which song I like best would be in order. So from the first song that I listened to till this song, I liked Fire Truck, Chain, Reaction, and then Touch Me. I like those in order. I like all of them. I would buy all of them. I would definitely want to listen to all of them again right after this. I really like Touch. Touch was a good song. I ain't gonna lie. That, I was not expecting for me to like it as much as I did. When it first started, I thought, okay. Well, before I even pressed play, I thought this is not going to be as good as the other two. But granted, I didn't think Chain was going to be as good as Fire Truck when I first, because Fire Truck was so good. And then Chain like was so good. So like I tried to set my expectations low for Touch, and Touch was just as good as the other two. I mean, well, I guess technically it's up there, but it's like that's my order of which I like them. If that all makes sense. So be sure to vote inside the poll above my head and tell me which song you like best. If the poll for whatever reason is not working, leave your vote inside the comment section down below. And until next time, y'all, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share this video on all forms of social media. Check the Patreon link in the info box down below if you're feeling extra generous. Click the videos that have just appeared on my show to see more content from me. And until next time, y'all, leave more comments for more K-pop groups and NCT songs for me to react to inside the comment section down below. Catch y'all later.
Hands up if you feeling the vibe now.